Could you do a little better than half on these comic bundles?
Okay, let's see. Yeah, we had these.
Two.
Okay, let's see. We've got. Yeah, yeah. We can do better than half on these.
I mean, I can't do better than half on that pack.
Doing good.
We're doing great. Yeah, we're everything's pretty much half off. So y'all look at stuff like that. Like there's a nice grill right here, never been used. Just a small little piece.
Just a small
tabletop
grill
for camping or putting out on your deck. $5 right there. Well, actually, that stuff right there is already. This gentleman over
Someone
here
already has it.
That's his little pile right there that he's he's already got. Sorry about that.
No, that's okay.
But yeah, that's a little game. But we also have a cornhole game over here. If you're interested in that, we got some bags to go with that. We can sell those. I think we had 20. I think we had $30 on it, but we can probably get rid of those for probably $10 for that cornhole. Just some little. Those are just old golf clubs. Yeah, we had those at like $10 a piece. We can sell them both for $10. $5 a piece or something like that. If you're interested in those. Don't worry about that. It's just an extra brand new wallet. If you need a little wallet, is there a number? Is there a price on that?
It was, yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll take half of whatever it says right there.
Okay.
We got a lot of DGT stuff. If y'all are looking for that. If you're interested in that cornhole, that big orange cornhole, we got one like bags over there. Right here, a lot. You don't see these around very often. No, but that's a popcorn maker right there, old timey. We can that right there's like $2. We've got the grills. The George Foreman old grills. Those right there.
Is it inside too?
Yes, sir. Inside, on stuff like that. So sure thing. We've got some stuff like that. This was a really. If you like, if you have, it's getting springtime. If you have juices and want to put your little juice, this is a really nice little juice container right here. So you can put it in there. That one's really nice. It's old too. I mean, it's half price. So just different audience up here. Yeah, those are brand new right there. I think they're $5. People take $5 for both of them. Any little pack right there. It's standard. Yeah. Do the box store. Never been getting that. You know, they're just good little.
There's some pocketbooks in there.
Okay, I'll put that on.
It just kind of goes with that color that's in there already.
This on the dollar price? Yeah. Okay, so,
Depends on what side, yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, are you friendly?
Say yes.
You're special looking.
Come on in, Press. She's got used to it now. She's not long. Yeah.
okay, so, we have 15, 10 of it was all mama's stuff, and 5 of it was that little toss game. That little toss game.
Mm-hmm.
So, we have toss,
Yeah, somebody gave it to me for
$5.
Christmas one year. I think it's very bad.
and that was like a phone, like a coffee holder.
There's some baskets in here.
We have pictures.
I don't know. There's a few small ones if you're looking for more baskets.
Not really.
All right.
I got it, sir.
Okay. All right. I'll put that right there. Get you your $5 on here. I appreciate you coming by. Thank you very much.
You guys gonna be, what time are you guys gonna be?
Probably about 1 o'clock.
Okay.
You know, yeah. Feel free to swing back by. Yeah. Yep.
Very good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Could you do a little better than half on these comic bundles?
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. We had
these
these.
two.
Okay. Let's see. We've got. Yeah.
well-
We can do better than half on these.
I can't do better than half on that pack.
Okay. So 10 on that. On these.
We can do 5 on
Or would
that.
you-
Well. Maybe like.
Would you do this for 5? Like instead of 5 each, 5
for those
or
two.
so
Yeah,
instead of
that's
7
We'll do
5 for those
5
two.
And I can do 10 on that one. I can't
Okay.
do more.
Okay.
That's fine.
5 for those. So is that 15?
So it'd be 15.
15 for that.
Okay.
Okay. 15 for that. A $2 wallet. That's 17. And then $5 for the
So,
cassette player.
like 20,
so 17, 23. 23.
Okay. And then, all right, I'll keep that number and then I'll wait for her. And see what she wants. Oh, that's cool. Actually has the bat in a side slot so that it doesn't break off. I've never seen that. That's a cool collectible. Palmolive is pretty popular also. I think I'm gonna throw in that. I think I'm gonna grab this Sound Sleeper Audiologic. Sound Sleeper. That is not very bad at all. Not too many have sold. I'm gonna pick that up for $1. There's no box, but has the manual. It's a hard hat.
Yeah, that helmet I had to buy about a week ago, and
Yeah.
brand spanking new. Brand spanking new. I mean, worn for about 10 minutes. And, you know, and I just don't need it, so
Yeah.
you know, we can take half off it. But I mean, yeah, it's a good helmet. Brand new. I got it. Where'd I buy it at? At Home Depot. At Home Depot.
Yeah.
Home
I don't know.
Depot up in Maryville.
I'm at 23 and I'm gonna add these two. They both say $2, so that should take me to 25.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Getting Palmolive or bobblehead. Oh, nice. Yeah. We have some other. We have a Brandon Phillips
Cincinnati
bobblehead.
Reds.
I saw those,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I don't like that. That's a good one though.
Yeah, Palmolive. He's a good one.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, I know.
That one's
yeah.
kind of neat because a lot
I think
of
he's in the
times,
Hall of Fame now.
yeah, a lot of times when they have the bats break off, and I noticed on that they had the bat separated
Okay.
so that it wouldn't break. You can just put it in his hands.
You put
I've
it in
never
there
seen
as
that
you-
before. That's
okay.
kind
Well,
of
we
neat.
had two of
Yeah.
them.
I got
One of
this.
them's back
I
didn't
got
break.
this.
It was
I
Yeah.
got this. If you want to know, I got it at the stadium at a ball game
Yeah.
on bobblehead
Okay.
day that they were giving them out.
Yeah.
Like
That's really cool.
20 years
Yeah,
ago.
it's been about 20
Oh yeah,
years.
I love the stadium giveaways.
All right.
Yeah, but that fella yesterday was looking for the
How much you got for this?
Fours,
I can't remember. All right, so we can do 20. We can do 20 on the cornhole with the bags.
No, I'm gonna put mine in. Yeah, they're in that trunk.
I mean, that one's very rarely used. So we better use that.
That's kind of neat. What do you call a UT fan? Boss.
So we got
Oh, what was the? Was he talking about a popcorn maker?
That thing right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's kind of like. Yeah. Did you find anything?
Yeah, I'll read it inside.
Well, I got my stuff out here.
Okay, I'll go grab it.
I guess. Yeah. I'm at 25. Big Chill ice cream maker.
do it all for 50. Okay, all for 50. Those are
He's got, I don't think he has room for your pile.
Oh, this is his pile right here. He said, we got this right here.
So she said $1 for the shoes.
Okay, so he's at 25
I'm at
here, I
25, so
think.
whatever you got.
And then $1 for the shoes.
And then I got this little.
And then how much for the little UT package?
What if you got 3 shirts? We can do $1 a piece on the shirts.
That's a good shirt right there, that gray one.
Just throw in there. So $1 a piece on the, so that's $3.
$3 and
$4 with her shoes.
And 25, so that's a total of 29 right now. 29.
There we go.
Okay. You got 29 right there? All right,
sir.
that is perfect right
Alrighty.
there. All right.
guys.
Okay, and we'll
Good.
be around later today if y'all want to swing back by, you know.
Okay, yeah.
You know,
we live up the street, so we may do that.
Okay.
Depending on where we go.
We will.
Okay.
We do this all day, so
Okay. Y'all, yeah, okay. Good deal. Y'all
Sounds
do
good.
it all day, so good.
yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank
Yeah.
y'all very much.
Y'all
Thank
have a
you.
good day.